Hey, church family, it's Ryan here. Over the last month, we have been talking about community and how we are all created for community. We're created for connection. Many of you have grabbed a copy of our small group catalog over the last several weeks, but now it's time to sign up. It's time to commit to a group. It's time to commit to community at Memorial Park Church. And there's really two ways that you can sign up for a group. One will be this coming weekend. You're going to have an opportunity in our services to fill out a postcard with the group that you want to join. But the second way that you can sign up for a group is online, and I want to show you just how easy it is to sign up on our website. And so on our website, you'll see here on the front page, you'll see on the left-hand side this Connect drop bar. And then from here, the very first option is adult groups. So you'll go ahead and click that, and then you'll go ahead and scroll down. You'll see rooted in small groups, but then you'll see right here our small group catalog, the PDF version of it. And right next to it here, you'll see an option to click here to sign up for a group. And from there, you'll fill out this form, and it'll show you all the different options you have to sign up for a group. It's really easy. So you can sign up online and pick a group here, or you can pick a group in person this weekend when you fill out the postcard. So I'm looking forward to seeing you this weekend, church. We'll see you then.